Deloitte being my first corporate experience has helped me gain valuable experience on taxation, and not only that, during the internship period, the mentorship given by Deloitte has helped me complete various tasks assigned to me. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the corporate relations team at Woxsen for giving me this wonderful opportunity and also constant support during the internship period.
Deloitte, biggest of Big Four accounting organization that offers a dynamic culture of inclusion, collaboration and high performance. I was fortunate to complete my internship at Deloitte. During my internship, I had an enriching experience which helped me in improving not only personally but professionally. It was a great experience, and what made my internship even more rewarding was the support that I received from the corporate relations team. They provided guidance throughout and helped me in enhancing my interview and resume skills. Thanks to the support that I was able to secure this incredible internship opportunity at Deloitte.